That's how you do it. That's how you load a motorcycle into a U-Haul. What I did was I had some ramps, some homemade ramps here. I put them on the bottom just to make that jump in height a little more gradual down at the bottom as well as at the top. You know, it's not gonna, just to ensure I'm not gonna bottom out when you get up here. But yeah, went pretty smoothly. Biggest thing is you can't stop. Once you're going, last thing you can do is stop when you're up here or when you get here, because then you're gonna fall over. Got to get that confidence and just ride it right up. Give yourself enough room up here, obviously. Make sure there's no sand or anything. This ramp has pretty good grip, actually. And big thing you might want to do too is go for a ride and, you know, warm that bike up, get that back tire warmed up. But there you go. That's how I loaded. That's how you load a bike in the back of a U-Haul. Well, it was very, very sketchy, I'm not gonna lie.